How to add a family member in Duolingo? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add a family member in your Duolingo plan, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So by now, let me tell you that my Duolingo is translated with Google Translate, so perhaps some words are going to be different, but please guide yourself with the icons and images that you're seeing, okay? So first of all, if you want to add a friend, you must go into your profile, and here in the right panel you're gonna find three options: to find your friends, to invite your friends, or to connect to Facebook. By now I have a friend suggestion too. You can click on see all if you have more friend suggestions, but that's not the way, in case you thought in that, to add a family member into your plan. And by now let me tell you as well that I have not a premium plan here in Duolingo, so I'm going to guide you into this support Duolingo that show us how to do it, and it's quite simple. So first of all, you must to know that you cannot invite existing super subscribers to a Duolingo family plan. So in case your friend or your family member has already a Duolingo super subscriber, Duolingo premium plan, so you are not gonna be able to invite him or invite her, okay? And also, why do I invite someone into my plan? So the family manager can send the invite link to any eligible Duolingo user via iMessage, WhatsApp, email, and more. Once they receive the link, they'll have to accept the invite in order to be added to your family plan. So in case you need it, you just have to follow these four options. You tap the super icon, in the super dashboard tab, add members, manage, and then select your method. And that's it. You must to send it, and that's how you can do it. There's an image in case you need it to guide yourself. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can add a family member in your Duolingo plan. Thanks for watching.